Okay, so I am, of course, a massive fan of doing surveys when it comes down to email and SMS marketing, because remember now, email and SMS isn't necessarily just a revenue generating channel. Of course, we all want to make money with it. Yeah, that's the primary goal. But it's also a vehicle to support other channels, to support other legs, of the business. Collecting qualitative survey feedback from your customers, qualitative insights, helps the business to, of course, evolve and how can I call it? Yeah, evolve and make changes, adapt in other areas within the business or the products. So using ChatGPT, you can easily do that. So act as an email marketing researcher for carve.com, for instance. We want to run more user surveys to collect qualitative research or insights. Output to be tabular. Column 1, the survey title or topic. Column 2, list of questions we can ask. And then column 3, actions we can take with the survey results. Because remember, you don't want to just collect insights from people or feedback from them. You want to action it within your business, within your products, within your departments. So then I basically just ask you to generate 10 survey ideas for the below categories or objectives. I want to build a better product. I want to gauge why buyers are not making their first purchase. I want to gauge why buyers are not making a repeat purchase. And then it basically gives me the ideas. So for instance, build a better product design feedback, questions I can ask within the surveys. What design elements do you like in our current products? What designs would you like to see? How can we action upon this data? Introduce new designs based on preferences. Enhance current designs to increase appeal, for instance. Let's go usability and functionality. How easy to use our products? What functionality improvements would you suggest? Once we've gathered the info from our users, our buyers, implement design changes for better usability, develop new features and so forth. If it's needed, of course, if the survey results are indicating that there's a bit of an adaptation needed with your product. Gauge why buyers are not making their first purchase, first impression analysis, what's your initial thoughts about the product, what stops you from making a purchase. Of course, we can address barriers identified to enhance the marketing strategies. For instance, if we gauge that people are not sure what the benefits of the product is or how will it reduce their pain points, you can, of course, adjust your email and SMS copy to speak more about how you will solve their pain points and how would you match their needs and the goals they have. You can see here post-purchase support, product longevity and quality, competitor comparison, and so forth. So excellent tool to come up with a set of survey ideas that you can release out to your email database via your email and SMS channels. So use it as a starting point and then tweak and change from there. Enjoy.